Hi everyone, I hope everyone will be fine. And today I am going to show you we already created the intersection in our previous video, and in this video I am going to show you how we can create a corridor. Like we can increase this corridor section to for our full alignment. Our we have seen that how we created our this intersection automatically using the intersection tool. I'm not going to show you how to create corridor from the alignment in this video, but I am going to show you how we can use the part of the corridor to increase or decrease its area. So I'm going to show you first what we will do. That this is our corridor intersection that we have created. So just click on this and go to the corridor properties, and then you can go to the parameters. So you can see here it's a baseline and region, then baseline. So what is the baseline? Actually we have this one. I'm going to show you. So every alignment can be a baseline as long as it's not parallel to our main alignment. For example, we have this one, this alignment. You can see this alignment here. So this is our alignment, and maybe if for example there will be another alignment, the side road. So this can also be our baseline. And then after we add a baseline, then there is a region. You can see that it says the region here. This one is a region. RG stands for region. So first we create the baseline, after it comes the region. So region can be the station from this point to this point, you see, this point to this point, or the region you can select from like zero station to this whole alignment. This can be the region as well. So first is well, for example, again this one is a side road, and this one is the baseline, and then you can select the region. For example, you can select from this zero station to end of the station, or you can want to change the regions to make changes to region from, for example, this station to this station. So it depends. So now what we are going to see, that how we are going um, to extend our, or to play with these tables. uh, so I am going to show you now. For example, you see our baseline. This is a baseline for main road, and this is a baseline for our side road. When we going to click here, you are going to see, when you click this region, this is the whole baseline main road. And when you click on this one, and when you see this one, main baseline has been highlighted. But after that, when you click on this region, and you see that this box shows us that we can extend this region to the end of this section, this side. For example, I will going to show you. So this is our region, with the region, and this is using our horizontal baseline for the main road, and using vertical profile for for the main road that we already created in the previous videos. Here you can see the station. You see, this is the start station, this is the end station, and then the frequency varies. So if we're going to change, what is the frequency? So frequency is, let me show you. Okay. So frequency is, you see these lines, these red lines, vertical ones. These are the frequencies, and we can increase the frequency. For example, the sections should be 20 meters apart, 15 meters apart. The closer the sections will be, the closer, the smaller the frequency will be, the more accurate will be the corridor. We use smaller frequencies for the roundabouts or the junctions, so that we have more precision. But for the long routes, we can change the frequency to the larger scale. So what I am going to do, I will increase the I will change the frequency. I'm gonna first increase. our frequency for the region, not for the whole baseline, but for the region, and also change the station. We change station so that our corridor will be complete on the main road. Change station for full main road. So let's see how this going to work. So this is our table where we have everything. Okay, let's erase this portion, and then we can see that this alignment. So how we can, this is, you can see it start from 1983 to 1993. So this is 1900, and this goes so what we can do is 1950 here is increasing to this side. So what we're going to do to select this one to edge of the other one, just click on this. First, I think we should change the frequency. First, going to change the frequency to 20 meters. 20 meters, curve increment going to be 10 meters, 20 and 20. That's it. So this will be at 20 meters. Now select this one to, so if you know the exact station, you can click and add it here. But as we don't know, so what we're going to select on the map, click on this one. And then our baseline will start station will be, the start. This one will be this one. So 00 will be this one. Now you are going to see, and when we click apply, it will ask for the rebuild the corridor. So we click OK, and now it will take time. Depends on the system you are using. So and now you see down here it's modeling the corridor. Now, now you can just ignore these ones because it's also asked for the rebuild if you have already unchecked this one. So when we say OK, then it will ask for the rebuild and it will be fine. So don't worry about this. So you can click and just cancel this, and you can see this one. Our corridor has been from 0 to, you can see, all the way to our junction, this one. You see the whole side has been done just from the table. So in this way you can edit the corridor to expand this to this side. Now we are going to do this one to the other side of the road, other side of the main road. So just do it quickly so that you can see how it's done. This one, corridor properties, and then select the region, which region we are going to work. Okay, this region we are going to work, and also change the frequency. It's 20, 10, 20, 20. Click OK, and we are going from 2025 to 35, and we are going to end of this road. So you see this red mark on the screen. This is helpful, and just go to the end of the road. So we have, here is our end station, and click OK, rebuild the corridor. And here is it. You see, the whole corridor has been built with everything in this one. You can see that they have the offset as well, and the corridor is built. So now again, using the table, I'm going to show you. So you can see this region, and now you are going to say that which assembly we are using. So in this region, for example, this one with curbs and footpath, you see the assembly, primary road, primary road full section with curves. When we created our intersection, our assemblies was automatically created. You can also define your assemblies by yourself. You can edit this assembly from here, make your own assemblies. Also you can add a baseline, click on the add baseline, and the new baseline will be created. And then also you can make adjustment to that baseline. You can set all frequencies that you don't, if you don't want to change frequencies for the regions or baselines, you can directly set all frequencies on a single on by click on this. Also for the set all targets, you can this is for targets is, for example, you want a bus stop or you want to increase the edge of the pavement at the end, so you can set your all targets from this table. This table is really helpful. So I am going to show you some of the assemblies that have been created using the creating the junction. So when we created the junction, these assemblies were automatically created. You can also create your own assemblies. I am going to show you in other videos, in the next videos, but in this video my motive was to show you that how we can play with this corridor properties and just creating this intersection, and we have increased it to through the whole of our main road. So we can also do this to this alignment, but I am going to show you in the next video that how we going to create, actually create, add the baseline, and then I will add the region, and then provide you the assembly, and we will do it manually without just changing the station from here. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you have any questions, you can just ask me in the comment section, and like other tutorials you want from me. Okay, thank you very much guys, bye.